you what's been on my mind.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is I'm making homemade blueberry pancakes. So I'm going to be showing you how to make them. Also, I'm going to be making a vanilla iced latte. But first I need to charge up my little whisk. So when I do make them, I will show you guys anyway. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing, just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed supposed to do? I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly. Yeah, I try my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so deep.
So guys, I wasn't going to do a little review, but I thought I will. I'll just pop on before I end today's video. So the iced coffee turned out really, really sweet. Now I use the low calorie vanilla syrup thing, where I'm normally using the proper, like literal full of sugar one. So what I'll have to do is, again, we will use it, but when I go making these again in the summer, I will get the proper stuff that we actually used before, because we absolutely loved that one. Like I said, it is nice, but if you put too much in, it is very, very sweet. And I do like sweet things, but yeah, it's just too sweet. So I think I'll just stick to the normal. I think it was the fair trade one that we normally get. If I remember, I will pop the picture up on the screen so you guys can see what one I'm on about. But I would prefer that one than the skinny one, because obviously with the skinny ones, they just take out all the goodness, and that's what me and Nathan like. And as for the pancakes, they're okay. I would say though, unless you are literally obsessed with those skinny syrups and stuff like that, I think they're called the Skinny Co syrup. Yeah, I was going to put the chocolate all over these pancakes, but I tried a little bit and it's absolutely vile. I don't like it at all. So I'm going to give that to my brother-in-law and his wife so they can enjoy it. But yeah, I didn't like that at all. But I wanted to come on here and tell you about these. Now these, they're actually okay, but they taste more like a Yorkshire. So if you like the Yorkshire pancake taste, then use this mix. But I've done it all from scratch. I found this on TikTok and I thought, oh my god, I really fancy blueberry pancakes. Nice, don't get me wrong, they are nice, but I don't think I'd ever make them again. If I ever fancied blueberry pancakes, I would go out and buy them. But yeah, they taste like more like a Yorkshire mix. So it tastes like I'm eating blueberry Yorkshires. But yeah, they are nice, but I wouldn't go making them again. Yeah. Just wanted to give you guys my verdict on the iced latte and the blueberry pancakes. Guys, that is going to end today's video here. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click on the notification bell as well, so you're notified every time I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.